Sometimes on our channel, we make healthier options. Today what we're gonna be making is a chicken, Greek-inspired chicken pita wrap. A lot of fresh herbs, ingredients. Chicken pita wraps. Here we go. Now, for the sake of time, I'm gonna show you the ingredients, but I already started prepping a lot of them. Pita bread, Greek yogurt, that's an English cucumber. I peeled it, I cut it up a little bit. That is one of those like $5, I got it at the Walmart, but you can get them at Costco. A deli rotisserie chicken. I shredded that thing myself. 2 tablespoons olive oil, that juice of that lemon squoze into there. Pinch of salt, pinch of pepper, mix it up. It makes a little like vinaigrette kind of thing. Olive oil, lemon juice, salt, pepper. Fresh dill, fresh parsley, a little red onion. We're gonna mix it in a bowl. We're gonna make this pita wrap. We're gonna warm that pita up on the stove over here. And that's really all your ingredients. It's super simple. Let's put it together. Now do not fear, my friends, if you missed any of the ingredients earlier, they will be in the description below. So I'm taking some chicken, I'm putting it in the bowl. I'm taking my peeled and cut up English cucumber, putting it in the bowl. These things wanna cooperate. I'm taking some of my red onion, putting it in the bowl. I'm taking some dill, putting it in the bowl. We love dill. Dill's so good. I'm taking some parsley and putting it in the bowl. And then my mix, which you guys saw this earlier, this is the olive oil, the lemon juice, and the salt and pepper. That's going in. And now we're just giving this a mix. It's like super fresh and super like just really nice. And literally it costs like $5 for that rotisserie chicken. And the other ingredients are super simple. And that's it. So now that this is mixed up, this stuff is so good. We've made this a million times. Get a couple more of my cucumbers in there. But yeah, that's that. So let's heat up a pita on the stove and let's dress this up. And this is gonna be like a 4-minute video that is really ultimately gonna change your life. I'm not toasting it, I'm just warming it, that's all. I just want the pita to be pliable and warm and nice. Store-bought pita, it's like $3. This has like no calories in it and it's super healthy. All right, warm, nice pita. We're gonna dress this thing. Let's get some stuff in it. The crunch from the onions and the English cucumber, the deli chicken, all those fresh herbs, the dill, it's just fantastic. Next, little tiny bit of the Greek yogurt. Just get it in there. Beautiful. Come on, my friend. I'm going in with a little more dill and parsley on the top. And there you have it. And just like that, an actual healthy recipe on the Josh and Babe YouTube channel. That Greek yogurt just adds a little goodness to it. It's so good. All the different flavors, and then the crunch from the cucumber, the red onion, all the fresh herbs. It's really good. You can make it whenever. It takes like 5 minutes. There's like no calories. And it's super good. From a deli roasted chicken at the store. All right, that's it. See you on the next video. Thanks for subscribing. Google Josh and Babe. We have over 500 videos on our YouTube channel. Lots of fun stuff like this. All right, we'll see you guys on the next one.